Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add sticker to WhatsApp stickers on Android. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the WhatsApp application. Then search through the chart where you want to add the sticker. So just go ahead, locate the chart and then click on the sticker you want to add to WhatsApp sticker once. Once you click on it once, then you should see add to sticker pack. Click on that. Then you need to create a sticker pack. Now go ahead and type in your sticker pack name and then click on save. Then you should see the sticker pack added to phone. Now you can go ahead and add multiple stickers to your sticker pack. By going to your sticker page, press and hold it. Then click on add to sticker pack. Select your sticker pack. Then you should see it under phone here. You can also come back again. Search for another sticker you want to add to the sticker pack. Press and hold it and then click on add to sticker pack. Then select the sticker pack name and then you should see added to the sticker pack name and then you're good. So that's exactly how to add WhatsApp stickers to sticker pack on Android. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.